I was so excited this morning because it's date night with my husband. But I look in the mirror and I realize I had a fat eye. Oh, why is this happening to me? Luckily, I can pull it together to still enjoy my day with my kids before we head out. I'm going to throw on a quick outfit before running around with Ella and Royce and top it with my new locket from Monica Rich Kazan. I love how lightweight it is and it goes with everything I wear. I made a promise to myself that I was going to get it together and be that mom that's put together, looks good. And the first thing I needed was a jewelry update. And when I tell y'all how obsessed I am with this locket, how easy it was to put Ella and Royce's picture in it, and it just reminds me of my strength throughout the day. Speaking of strength, I'm trying to power through and not cancel my date night, even though my eye is still bothering me. Hold on, outfit check. Which shoe should I wear? I think maybe the white one. Also, this locket is given. I feel like no matter what I put on, it just highlights my outfit. Girl, you need to grab yourself one immediately. Off to dinner. Bye. See you later.